This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your device for Face ID authentication with UPI. Ensure your smartphone has Face ID configured and a secure device passcode. Install or update your preferred UPI app and register with your mobile number. Open your phone settings to confirm Face ID enrollment for payments. Set or confirm your UPI PIN before enabling biometric authentication. Keep your bank app updated to the latest version for compatibility. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you proceed. Open your UPI app and navigate to Settings, then Security or Biometrics. Choose the option to enable Face ID for payments and sign-ins. The app will prompt you to verify by entering your UPI PIN once. Complete the Face ID verification by following on-screen prompts and allowing camera access. After enabling, perform a small Rupee 100 test transaction to confirm Face ID payment works. Check transaction confirmation and biometric authorization history in app settings. If anything fails, recheck Face ID enrollment and app permissions immediately. When paying, always confirm the merchant and transaction amount on your screen. Tap Pay, then authenticate with Face ID to approve the UPI transaction securely. The app may also ask for your UPI PIN for high value or policy reasons. Face ID locks temporarily after 5 failed attempts and will require passcode entry. If you lose your device, immediately disable Face ID payment in your bank app and from device settings. Regularly review recent transactions and revoke biometric access when you suspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.